Hello, everyone. So, today I wanted to talk about the best and easiest way to get started with Jira. Now, this is a very common question that many people ask me almost every day about how to learn Jira, how to get started with Jira, and this question is usually asked by people who have never really done anything with Jira in their life. And those people could be scrum masters, project managers, someone who is maybe looking for a job, or maybe someone is supposed to join a company where they are supposed to work on Jira, but they are not really sure where to start and how to get started with Jira. Now, these days things are slightly more complicated than what it was many years back. Now we have, of course, Jira Data Center, and also we have Jira Cloud. The focus is also more on the cloud because that is what Atlassian is very keen on doing. Many organizations are moving towards cloud, and if you are supposed to learn Jira on cloud, the most simplest thing that you can do is you can go to the Atlassian website and you can sign up for a free Jira cloud instance. However, this is something that I have shared in the past, that you can obviously create your own free instance of Jira and you can play with your Jira instance, but you also have the option here to select from Jira software, Jira service management, and also Jira work management. My personal recommendation would be to start using Jira, but not just Jira software or Jira service management, but start by using Jira work management, or I should say, start by playing with Jira work management, because Jira work management is the most simplest form of Jira. It will have the bare minimum features that you need to know about Jira, and I think it will give you a very good idea, uh, very good taste of what Jira is like. Now, what you need to do, just go to the Atlassian website and click on Jira Work Management. And also, when you are doing it, click on this button, get it for free today. So when you click on this button, you will be, of course, presented with the option to select the plan. And of course, we don't really want to pay Atlassian because there is a free plan. And Atlassian recently announced that there are a lot of apps that will be free for up to 10 users. So you can also use those apps if you want. Now, when you are selecting this option, also make sure you select Confluence, because why not? We also need a knowledge base so that we can see how it works with Jira. And when you select Confluence here, your Confluence will automatically be linked to your Jira instance. And that is it. And when you click on the next button, you can sign up for a free Jira instance. And don't worry about Jira software and Jira service management in the beginning, because you can always create your own project of type Jira software as well later on. But in the beginning, if you have absolutely no idea about what Jira is, you can sign up for a Jira Work Management and just create a project. And when you create a new project of Jira Work Management type, you will be presented with multiple options. Basically, you will have various templates to choose from. Templates like marketing, legal, human resource, finance, and many more. And the whole idea, the whole purpose of these templates is to give you some ready-made configurations that you can start using from day one. So when you create your own free Jira Cloud instance, you will get your instance in literally minutes, and you can then create your own project. And if you start with Jira Work Management, then I believe, based on my experience with working with other clients, organizations, where I have to help people learn about Jira and what Jira can do for them. I think Jira Work Management, especially of course on cloud, because on server we have Jira Core, which is again bare minimum, but on server things are a bit different. But on cloud, Jira Work Management will give you great features to begin with, and most of these features are also there in Jira software and Jira service management, but things are now slightly different. On Jira software, you will get a roadmap where you can plan the view. On Jira Work Management, you have a similar timeline view. So things are slightly different, but the way Jira works is the base is same. I mean, you have the power of customizations. You can always create your own workflows. So irrespective of the template that you select, it could be HR template, it could be marketing template. When you are evaluating Jira Work Management, you can always modify your templates, or you can always not only templates, but you can always modify your own configurations in your project, so that you can adapt it to make it work for you. Now, I wanted to talk about Jira Work Management because I'm right now working on a course, a Jira Work Management course that I will be publishing on Udemy, because I think Jira Work Management is probably a great way to start. And when you start with Jira Work Management, and when you understand, let us say if you spend, let us say, a day or half a day on learning Jira Work Management, then you will get a very good solid foundation of how you can you can do similar things on Jira software, because Jira software will give you, of course, now different features. You will get the option to use your project following Scrum methodologies or Kanban methodologies. But if you want to know what exactly is Jira, Jira is nothing but an issue tracker, essentially, and you can actually create different issues. Those issues are usually known as, issue types in Jira terminology. When you're working on Jira Work Management, you will get a task, but you can always use your own issue type. But when you understand these concepts in the beginning using Jira Work Management, then understanding Jira software or Jira service management will not take that much time. And if you're learning Jira for maybe for job purpose, maybe you have to maybe you have to apply for a job, or maybe you're supposed to learn Jira for your career, and maybe you want to showcase to your potential employer that yes, I know how Jira works, then don't spend too much time on Jira software or Jira service management in the beginning. In the beginning, within half a day, yes, less than half a day, you can actually get familiar, or you can actually make yourself familiar with various aspects of Jira. So start with Jira Work Management, because on cloud, I believe that is what a lot of people do when they start learning Jira. And one more thing, when you are evaluating Jira Work Management, of course, create a project in the beginning. But when you create a new project in the beginning, also try to create a project of different types. So maybe create one project for marketing, create another project for legal, and use variety of templates that Jira Work Management will give you when you create a new project. It will basically show you. Let me demonstrate very quickly. So when you create a new project, you will be presented with these templates, and as I mentioned before, these templates are nothing but some ready-made configurations. But when you try a couple of them, don't just try one of the template, try maybe more than one, so that you can compare. For example, if you create a project of type, let us say campaign management, so you will basically get these issue types, but you will also get a workflow with these statuses. Now this is great, but you may want to try something else, or maybe you should try something else, because you need to know why there are so many templates and what these templates can offer you. For example, if you want to use Jira for let us say content management, or maybe recruitment. I think recruitment is a really good example. Also document approval, because whenever you're dealing with contracts or maybe some kind of documentation, usually that is the case in almost every organization. There is a need for this document approval process. You will get some workflow statuses, and you will get some issue type like document. That is it. So try not just one template, try a couple of templates, so that you can also get familiar with the different use cases of Jira Work Management. And that is all I wanted to talk about today, very, very quickly in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new today. Thank you very much.